What's going on, tech fam? Welcome back to Gadgetools Unlimited, where we break down the biggest moves in tech and how they can impact your career. My name is Warren Bell, and if it's your first time here, thanks for coming and chopping it up. Now, if you thought that 2025 was going to be a slow year, I'm going to tell you right now, you might want to think again, because just a few days ago, President Trump dropped an interesting announcement for the tech world. So what did he announce? Well, Project Stargate, right? If you haven't heard of it, it is a huge $500 billion investment in AI infrastructure, and it's going to be over the next 4 years. Now, we talking partnerships, major job creation, and tech trends that could really redefine the entire industry. So grab your snacks, hit the like button, and let's dive into this monumental initiative and what it means for you as the up and coming tech professional, and how you can take advantage of all of these opportunities that are about to present themselves for folks just like us. So let's take a look at the big picture. We're going to start with the basics of the Stargate Project. It's a $500 billion collaboration between some of the biggest names in tech. That's going to be OpenAI, Oracle, SoftBank, and Microsoft, NVIDIA, and ARM. It kicks off with an initial $100 billion investment focused on building data centers and power generation facilities in Texas. The project is expected to create over 100,000 jobs. So whether you already in tech or looking to break into tech, this is the kind of opportunity that could define your career. And this is the kind of opportunity that in many of my videos, I'm speaking of when I say you have to stay ready so you don't have to get ready to take advantage of these, right? So who are the key players in this whole new announcement, this whole project? Let's talk about the heavy hitters, right? You got Sam Altman from OpenAI. He's going to bring the AI expertise. You got Larry Ellison from Oracle, whose enterprise cloud solutions are going to be a crucial role in this whole project. Now, I'm about to probably mess up this name, but Masayoshi Son from SoftBank is leading the change as the chairman of the whole Stargate Project. These folks are already industry leaders, and so that brings a level of credibility to the whole idea, right? And with companies like NVIDIA, ARM, and Microsoft in the mix, we're looking at cutting-edge advancements in AI, hardware, software, the entire tech ecosystem. Think GPUs, custom chips, and much, much more. Now, this is going to present some opportunities for tech professionals. So the question you should be asking yourself is, what does this mean for you? If you in tech or you try to get in tech, this project is going to be a gold mine. Let's break it down by key areas, okay? But first, a quick aside. Before we jump in, do me a favor, lean on that like button, click on it, hit it, stomp it, jump it, whatever you got to do. Go ahead and subscribe so you can stay in the tech career conversation with the tech fam. And, you know, if you want to hit the bell so you can be some of the first people to hear what happened on the Gadgetools Unlimited channel, go ahead and click that too. Now, what kind of opportunities is this project going to bring? Well, first and foremost, data center expansion. With Texas as the starting point, the project is about to trigger a massive data center boom. And we talking big demand for data center design experts. They need to create scalable, efficient facilities, operations professionals to manage those data centers, cloud engineers to handle integration and ensure uptime is in peak performance. If you got skills in data center management, power systems, HVAC, high-tech environments, you already ahead of the curve. If you interested in data center technology, you might want to start gearing your upskilling toward data center. But data center expansion ain't all. This has far-reaching implications across tech. AI-specific infrastructure. It's going to push the boundaries of AI-optimized infrastructure. That means specialized hardware setups for training large-scale models, expertise in managing AI frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, or many different GPT large language model APIs. If you're in the infrastructure, now is the time to level up with AI specific knowledge that's going to give you an edge when the demand starts to surge. The next thing, energy management. This is a big one. AI infrastructure is going to eat up a lot of power. It requires a lot of power to run these massive computations and operations. To keep things sustainable, Stargate is going to need innovative energy solutions. And some of those opportunities could include designing renewable energy systems for data centers, developing skills in power management tools. If you're an engineer with a focus on sustainability, this could be your moment to shine. So keep that in mind. What else? Cloud computing, of course. With Microsoft in the mix, cloud computing is going to play a pivotal role in the whole Stargate project. Cloud pros are going to need to design AI-optimized cloud architectures, investigate AI services into existing cloud solutions, scale cloud resources to handle massive data sets. Whether you're a cloud architect or you're aspiring to be one, this is a chance to show up and show out, flex those skills, and get that 6-figure, 7-figure paycheck that everybody in the industry, usually is going after when they jump. What's next? Hardware expertise. Data center, it's going to be a lot of hardware in there, right? Even cloud technology runs on underlying hardware. So with NVIDIA, ARM involved, there's a clear focus on specific hardware to AI. I'm talking about GPUs, custom processing, processors, designs for AI workloads, building systems optimized for high performance computing. If you are a hardware geek, brush up on the latest innovations, brush up on microchips, ARM chips, architectures, all of that. That's going to be beneficial to you when the need comes for highly skilled individuals. What else? AI development. Stargate is going to accelerate AI innovation like something we've never seen before. And that's a lot to say because over the last year, we've seen the AI and large language models and generative models just explode. Everybody is AI hungry. Everybody is AI intrigued, and companies are investing billions of dollars in this technology. Opportunities are going to be coming from out the woodwork left and right. And you got to be ready to grab the one that interests you the most. AI developers and machine learning engineers, professionals skilled in natural language processing, researchers working on ethical AI, that is going to be a big consideration. If you interested in AI, you got a passion, now's the time to do that deep dive and get those skills ready to jump out there. And what else? Of course, we got to talk about cybersecurity. In the data centers, in the cloud, everywhere in tech, security is a major concern for not only big companies, but individuals, people, their own personal data. They don't want it exploited, stolen, and whatnot, right? So a project of this magnitude is going to demand a big security presence that's going to be non-negotiable. Experts in AI system security, professionals skilled in data center and cloud security, cybersecurity, specialists in preventing cyber attacks and critical infrastructure. These folks are going to be in high demand. These type of skill sets are going to be key to the AI revolution. If you've been considering cybersecurity, now's your signal, right? This is your sign from God that you've been waiting on. You better go get it, right? What else? There's going to be a bunch of cross-industry applications for this whole project. And this is where it's going to get cool, right? Stargate is going to transform the industry. Think about healthcare, AI for diagnostics and patients care, national security, AI-powered threat detection, manufacturing, AI-driven automation and preventative maintenance. If you can combine AI knowledge with domain expertise, the possibilities are going to be endless for you. You bring that old school with the new school, combine it to make revolutionary contributions to tech and to the world, really, right? Then you got edge computing. We definitely can't forget about that, right? As the infrastructure goes, companies are going to want to process data closer to their users so that they can have that zero minimal latency, and so people can have a great experience, right? Designing low latency edge solutions is going to be a superpower for someone with that type of expertise, deploying Internet of Things devices for real-time AI applications. If you're not already familiar with edge computing, now's the time to get acquainted with it. It's going to be a key role coming in this new project, this new tech revolution. So the question becomes, well, how do we prepare? How do we get ready to take advantage of the opportunities and this big boom? Well, this is how you put together a game plan, right? You have to upskill strategically, focus on high demand areas like AI development, cloud computing, and energy management. Certifications is gonna matter. I don't care what nobody say. If nothing else but what you learn by going through the process of obtaining the certification. It's not the piece of paper. It is everything you learn during the process of obtaining a certification that's going to be crucial, and how you apply that to real world problems and come up with solutions that help businesses grow, right? So you're going to consider these certifications like AWS Solutions Architect, NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute, or Google Machine Learning Engineer. All of those are going to be very crucial and beneficial certifications to have under your belt, to take advantage of these opportunities, right? You have to stay informed. What is going to be going on in the industry, the latest news. Keep an eye on the developments of the Stargate Project, all of the industry trends. Being ahead of the curve is going to be key. And network like there's no tomorrow. Join the forums, attend the conferences, connect with professionals that are already in these spaces, learn the lingo, learn what is interesting, where it's headed, so you can get ahead of that curve and have the skills that are very much in demand. The Stargate Project is a once in a lifetime opportunity to be a part of something that could reshape the tech landscape all over the world, right? Whether you're just starting your career or looking to level up, there is a place in this new tech environment for you. So what do you think about it? Are you excited about the massive AI investment? How are you preparing for the future of tech? Let me know in the comments. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, hit the bell so you never miss an update. And until the next video, Tech Fam, stay ready, stay learning, and stay building. Peace.